Imagine a sea of hooves pounding the earth, a horizon teeming with life. This is the Great Migration of the Serengeti, where over 1.5 million wildebeest, 200,000 zebras, and countless gazelles embark on a treacherous journey. Driven by an instinct older than humanity, they traverse 1,200 miles in search of greener pastures, facing predators, rivers, and hunger. Crocodiles lie in wait at river crossings, and lions shadow the herds, making each step a perilous gamble. It's a cyclical odyssey of birth, life, and death, a testament to the raw, unyielding spirit of nature. This awe-inspiring migration is not just a journey, it's nature's ultimate survival saga.